Here click on the Del key button. Here you will get the BIOS setup. First you have to go with the boot order settings. In Lenovo, go with the startup and click on the primary boot sequence. Here we have a USB key 1. Have to prefer with the boot order on the first, and the second boot order is hard disk. Just and click on the escape. Here you can see the boot menu. We want to select the UEFI mode because we are make a bootable pen drive with the GPT. Click on the yes. Now it's check with the Windows bootloader. Now select the which architecture you want, 64-bit or 32-bit. I will select the 64-bit Windows 10 setup. It loads the file. Okay, after booting up the loading files, now you will get the Windows setup. Here you can select the language and the installation, which language you want. I am selecting defaultly Windows, English United States. Just click on the next button. Here click on the install now. Setup is starting. Here they asking the product key which you have purchased. Here I don't have a product key option. Just click on this option. Here they are showing the 64-bit of architecture which have the products Windows 10 Home, Windows Home Hen and Windows Education. Like this they are showing the number of products. Here I am selecting the Windows 10 Pro, Professional. Just click on the next button. Here they showing the license terms and agreements. Just click on the I accept and click on next button. Here they showing the two options, upgrade and the custom. We have to select the custom option here. Click on this custom. Okay, we have a 500 GB hard disk. We want to create the new hard disk style. Click on the new option. Here I am giving a for the C drive 250 GB. Click on apply. Okay, they created the partition of C drive. Click on the format icon. Okay, click on the next button now. Here they copying the files and installing the Windows 10 Future. We have to wait for the 20 minutes to install the Windows 10 Professional in your PC. After completion of the Windows 10 setup, it asks for the, let's start with the region. Select the United States and click on S button. Here select the keyboard. I am selecting the English India keyboard language. Click on S. Here they are asking for the second keyboard lever. Click on skip now button. Skip. They're checking the network, whether you connected Wi-Fi or is not connected your network. Here select the I don't have a network. Here they preferring the full setup with the Microsoft account. I am selecting the continue with the limited setup. Here they are asking the username. Type your name. I am typing my channel name as a Bunny Tech. Click on next button. Now I am just giving a blank. Click on the next. Recommendedly they checked with the all options, location and the diagnostic data, find my devices. These are the recommended by the Microsoft. Just leaving as it is and click on the accept button. Click on yes. Again click on the yes, accept. That's it. Your Windows 10 is installed successfully. Thanks for watching Bunny Tech.